Hi, first graders. So today we're going to be doing something a little different with our plants unit, okay? So you're going to need that learning packet that you got last week. It either came in the mail, you picked it up from school, but there is a whole plant section in it, and you're going to need to grab that because we're going to be using it today. We are going to be talking about the parts of a plant this week. Can you guys tell me any parts of the plants that you guys know? Yell them nice and loud so I can hear you. Good. So there's a bunch of different parts of the plant. Okay, there's the stem, the roots, the leaves. Okay, and that is all part of the plant. So what we're going to do is we are going to watch a quick little YouTube song so that you all can see. Okay, you're going to watch this. Feel free to play it a couple times, okay? It's quite catchy, I think.
Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this too. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower looks so beautiful, and it makes the seeds that start a new plant. But the petals look pretty for a reason, you see. They attract pollinators like birds or bees. The stem is the part in the middle, and it moves water up to the rest of the plant. Through the stem, that water flows. It's like a straw. Watch it go. The leaves on a plant help it to breathe, and they make the air cleaner for you and me. Get set for a big wood. You ready for this? They make food for the plant through photosynthesis. The roots hold the plant down into the ground. Underneath in the soil is where they are found. They soak up water and minerals there. They absorb stuff with their little root hairs. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this too. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower creates the seeds. Pretend you're a flower with me. The stem is like a straw. Pretend you're a stem, real tall. Leaves, they make the food. Now pretend you're doing photosynthesis, all of you. The roots anchor the plant. Hold it down tight like I know you can. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this too. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots.
Awesome. That song was quite catchy. So what we are going to do now is, if you need a few minutes, go ahead and grab your packet. If you need to find it, go ahead and just hit pause. If you already have your packet out, I need you to find this page that says plant parts. Okay, it's got a reading on it and a couple questions. If you need a couple extra minutes, feel free to hit pause and find it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your name right at the top, right on the name line. Great job. Okay, so what we're going to do is you guys are going to get your pointer fingers ready, and I'm going to read the passage, and you're going to listen and follow along with me, and we're going to stop and talk about the different parts of a plant. Okay, so it says, if you need a few seconds to finish writing your name, take it. Okay, it says, all plants have main parts. A plant begins at the roots, which grows down in the soil. So what's the first part we're talking about? Good, the roots. The roots hold the plant in place and gather food from the soil for the plant. So what does a root do? Yell it nice and loud so I can hear you. Good. So the roots hold the plant down into the ground, and you gathers food for the plant. So next, the plant has a stem. So what's the next part we're going to talk about? Good, a stem. So this acts like a straw. Why do you think it acts like a straw? Yell it nice and loud. That's some really good guesses. So it acts like a straw because the stem moves water and nutrients around in the plant. So when you're drinking out of your glass and you use a straw, all the nutrients and the water go right up in it so that you can get it. On the stem, there are leaves. So what's the next part of a plant we're going to be talking about? Good, the leaves. So what do you think the leaves do? Some good guesses. Leaves take in sunlight and air to make food for the plant. Okay, so the leaves soak in all that sunshine. Remember how plants need sun to grow? Okay. Finally, there are flowers on most plants. So what is our last part of a plant? Good, the flowers. So these make seeds for new plants to grow. So one plant I know a lot of you guys already know is a sunflower. Okay, sunflowers have a lot of seeds, and you're able to see all those seeds so easily. And those seeds are what makes new sunflowers. Okay, and they help new plants grow. So if you need to take some time and reread that, feel free. Okay, challenge yourself. See if you can read that on your own. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to answer these two questions on the bottom. Okay, so the first question says, what is the purpose of the roots? So think about where the roots are. Look at the picture. Where in the picture are the roots? Go ahead and point to it. Good, they're at the bottom. So what do the roots do? Yell it nice and loud. Good, the roots hold the plant in place. So we are going to say the roots hold the plant in place. Okay, and it gathers food and gathers food. Great job. If you need extra time to write, go ahead and hit pause. Make sure you have that capital at the beginning of your sentence and the period at the end. Remember, it needs to be a complete sentence. You guys are going to be almost second graders. Okay, and then if you need time to finish that question, please feel free to hit pause. So what do leaves do for the plant? So you guys, I want you to do this one on your own, okay? Think about what leaves do for the plants. On the stem, there are leaves. Leaves take in sunlight and air to make food for the plant. So use those ideas. Think about what your leaves do for the plant. Okay, you guys did a great job today. Okay, make sure that you're still practicing. Take some extra time if you need it. You're doing a great job.